Hello, and here is the third technique slash skill that you will be learning this week. It is another toss. This is also, for now, a small toss. We're going to do the single version of it. This is the money toss. It's also pretty simple, and it doesn't go high up in the air or anything like that. What you're going to start off with is flag straight up and down right in front of you. Your right hand is grabbing. This is my left. This is my right. It is grabbing at the tab, thumbs up. Now hand it over to your other hand, and your left hand is holding it, thumbs up. Sorry. Alrighty, what your right hand is going to do is grab money hand. Money hand, I'll come up close and show you. You grab, like you're asking for money, you grab the pole. I don't recommend grabbing it super low, but I also don't recommend grabbing it right underneath. Sorry, right underneath there. I would not recommend that. Right about there, maybe even a little lower. About right here is good. This is a good place to hold it. Just a little bit of, I don't know how, I can't do math, but a few inches away from your top hand. I'm going to go ahead and show you what this toss looks like. It doesn't take very many counts at all, but here's what it looks like. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Now I know that probably looked a little intimidating. I'll do it one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Alrighty. Ouch. I just cracked my thumb. Come to this position if you're not already there. Left thumb is up, grabbing at the tab. Right hand is right here, grabbing money with your palm up. To do this toss, your left hand, this one, comes down to your left side. It pulls almost like you're doing this. It's going that direction. Comes down. And what your right hand does after you let go with your left is it twists and I don't know the word, but it does the majority of the work. If the flag would stay out of the way, this would be so much easier. But those two actions happen at the same time. Kind of. Really, they don't. The left hand goes first. It goes down and then you twist. But it happens rather quickly, so it almost seems like it's happening at the same time. But anyway, all of that happens on count 1. And you also release on count 1. I'm going to show you your release point. I did not show you a release point in the prayer toss video because I didn't feel there was too much of a need for that, but for this one, certainly there is. Your release point is right there. It's straight up and down. So your wrist will twist until your thumb and the pull is facing down and your silk is facing up. And you will release with, let's see, let's try that again. Why am I grabbing incorrectly? All right. Your hands pretty much stay in the same position. They don't go up, they don't go any lower, though I don't ever see that happen. They do not come up like that because we are not tossing a high toss. This is a low toss. So it stays right there. Just right kind of at your rib cage. To catch this toss, or well, I'm getting ahead of myself. Sorry. Your release point is here. That is when you let go of the flag. It will continue to spin until it, actually, how much does it spin? Let's test it. Not very much at all. So from your release point where you let go, it just comes down like that. It just does a half spin. In total, it will have done a spin and a half because you're starting here and pull spin and then it's down. So 1.5 if you're watching the silk. But anyway, release point ends here. The way you grab or catch is like so. Your right hand is at the tab with your thumb facing up. Your left hand is here. This is, if you have a flag that has cheaters on it, this is the bottom cheater. It's about a third from this, a third of the way from that. However you want to do that math. 2/3. 2/3. 1, 2. Yes, 2/3. I can do math. I promise. No, I can't. Anyway, so you will catch at, this is just like right shoulder, except it's kind of upside down. This is right shoulder with your right hand up at the tab and your left hand down in that, at that same place. This is just reverse with your hands flipped. If that helps to get that catching position correct in your head, this is where we're aiming for. Now, as you heard me count earlier, this only takes 2 counts to do. It's very fast, but I'm not going to spoil anything yet, but there's somewhere in the future where you will use this, and the music is not that fast. So don't freak out, but get used to doing it in 2 counts. Don't make, when you do count to yourself and out loud, as I know you all are doing all the time, don't count 1, 2. Don't go quite that slow. That's too slow. I will set a good pace. You can refer back to this video as many times as you want for the tempo. It is up to you. But anyway, here is all of the things put together for the money toss. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. I know that was probably a little fast for you rookies. That's okay. Don't worry, my roommate is home. Anyway, don't worry too much about it. Let's do it one more time and then I'll turn around to do it for you and that'll be it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. I'll turn around. In position. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. One more time. Reset. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Alrighty. Those are the techniques / skills for this week. Have fun at home. Message me or Miss Kinney for any questions. And yeah, again, I apologize for the dogs. There are many of them in this neighborhood. I've got neighbors walking around, walking their dogs and stuff, and roommate is now home. So, alrighty. You guys have fun, and keep practicing. Put these in your video. Bye.